Self-check through website. 1. Website address. Account number and password. Use the same account number and password of ESY Setup App. 2. After logging in, edit the operation parameters. 3. First to click System Settings, then only if the country code is LTally, the self-test page would display. 4. Click Self-Test. 5. Choose Self-Test items. 6. The test results will be displayed in the right area. Notes: check this system self-test record is displayed at the bottom. Once we do self-check for one item, the system operating status will change to off-grid and then change to grid connected automatically within 300 seconds.